The hands are the one missing piece in the puzzle still. There are a couple of different ways in which you can do the hands in a werewolf. Some people will put makeup on them, very similar to the face, exact same coloration, similar segmented design overshadowing over the knuckles. I prefer gloves, which you can find for sale at a lot of various stores. Why is this? Well, gloves on the inside will have this cloth padding, which will allow you to much more easily grip things, and you won't have to worry about makeup coming off. Gloves you can also easily take off if you want to be able to have a nice bare clean hand, no makeup, no costume on, to open doors or even drive a car, say. So in general, gloves are a nice alternative to makeup, and they can make for still a very, very effective show. And you won't have to worry about going out and getting Lee press-on nails either. I've seen some werewolves do that too, where they combine makeup with nail effects. So gloves are a nice way to combine both effects. They look very real and authentic, and all you have to do is just tuck them underneath your arm sleeves, and it'll look like a nice, seamless werewolf.